Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our video on mastering O-level psychogeometry. This is a perfect video for students preparing for their exams in November 2024. Psychogeometry can seem to be a difficult topic, but with right approach, you will be able to tackle even the toughest questions with confidence. In this video, I will use the psychogeometry question that was in November 2005 Maths Paper 2 to share some tips and tricks that are going to help you to solve problems efficiently and accurately. Whether you are struggling with psychogeometry or you just want to revise and refine your skills, this video is for you. Let's get started and make sure you are fully prepared for your O-level exams in November 2024. For psychogeometry to be easier, you need to understand the psychogeometry theorems and be able to apply the theorems. Also, it is very important to first complete the missing angles by applying theorems accurately. I'll show you how to do that using November 2005 psychogeometry question. In this question, we are given CBD is 30 degrees, AEB is 70 degrees. These are only two angles that are provided. So first, I want to explain the theorem that is going to be applied for us to have our CAD as 30 degrees. The theorem says that angles in the same segment are equal. You need to be able to apply this theorem. Can you see on our diagram that the triangle CAD and triangle CBD, they are sharing that same base, which is CD. Therefore, CAD is going to be equal to 30 degrees. We can also find the angle AED is 110 degrees. We say angles on a straight line, they sum to 180 degrees. We subtract 70 from 180 in order to get 110 degrees. We want to proceed to angle ADE. Angles in a triangle, they sum to 180. Therefore, we are going to say 180 minus 30 plus 110 in order to get 40 degrees. So we are done with all the angles that are in triangle ADE. We can now proceed to triangle BEC. First, let us calculate BEC. We say 180 minus 70 in order to get 110 degrees, because angles on a straight line, they sum to 180 degrees. And then BCE is now easier to find because we just deduct 110 and 30 from 180 in order to get 40 degrees. We are now done with triangle BEC. Next, we want to apply the theorem that say angle in the same circle is 90 degrees. So BD is the diameter, which is making triangle BCD to be in a same circle. So since BCD is equal to 90 degrees, DCE is going to be 90 minus 40, which is equal to 50 degrees. And then CED, we say 180 minus 110 in order to get 70 degrees, because angles on a straight line, they sum to 180 degrees. And then for EDC, we then say 180 minus 70 plus 50 in order to get 60 degrees, because angles in a triangle, they sum to 180 degrees. And then lastly, can you see that FAD, which is outside the circle, it is equal to DCE. The theorem that we apply here is that angle that lie between a tangent and a chord is equal to angle subtended by the same chord in the alternate segment. So we have completed all the angles. It is now easy to totalize all the questions. We now need to attempt those questions part 1 is saying CAD, it is going to be 30 degrees because angles in the same segment are equal. And then on part 2, we want to calculate ADB. It's going to be 40 degrees because we say angles in a triangle sum to 180. So we are going to say 180 minus 110 plus 30 in order to get 40 degrees. And then on ACD, our answer is going to be 50 degrees because angle in the same circle is 90. So we are just going to deduct 40 degrees from 90 in order to get our ACD as 50 degrees. And then CAF, it is that overall angle that is involving 30 and 50. So it is going to be equal to 80 degrees. So that was all about the circumgeometry question that was in November 2005. Using this strategy, you are guaranteed to totalize all the questions in circumgeometry. And I would want you to practice circumgeometry using this strategy. You're not going to go wrong. This marks the end of our tutorial today on circumgeometry question. Thank you so much, guys, for following me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I wish you all the best. This is Eve signing out.